missionary work of Paul. The early converts to Christianity were Jews, just as Jesus and his disciples had been. One such convert was Paul, one of the most important people in Christianity. He devoted his life to spreading the teachings of Jesus. After his death, he was declared a saint in the Christian churches. Paul came from Tarsus, a town in present-day Turkey. Initially, he opposed Christianity and helped to persecute Christians. According to the New Testament, one day Paul was traveling to Damascus in present-day Syria. He saw a blinding light and heard the voice of Jesus, a vision that changed his life. Paul adopted the Christian faith and became a missionary. As an educated man with Roman citizenship who spoke Greek, Paul made it his special mission to convert non-Jews, called Gentiles, to the new religion. He spent several years visiting cities throughout the Greek-speaking world. Wherever he went, he made new converts and started new churches. In his preaching and letters, Paul stressed the need to believe in Jesus as the Son of God. He taught that all people, Jews and Gentiles alike, were God's children. Jesus, he said, was the Christ, God's chosen one. He was a Messiah for everyone, not just his fellow Jews. Paul's journeys took him through much of the empire. He preached throughout Asia Minor, in Greece, and in Rome. Occasionally, his visits caused riots when angry people protested what they considered blasphemous, or unholy, teaching. For a time, Paul was imprisoned, or jailed, in Rome, where he continued to write letters to other Christians. Tradition says that he was beheaded by the Romans around 65 CE, a time when Romans were beginning to persecute Christian believers.